Welcome to Enoven Foods, and today we are baking something soft, moist, and full of goodness, a homemade carrot cake without an oven. It's delicious, simple, and a true classic for all season. Start by chopping 7 to 8 walnut pieces and keeping them aside. Peel and grate 1 medium carrot. Grate the carrot finely so it blends well into the batter. In a bowl, take 2 eggs. Add half cup sugar and half teaspoon vanilla essence. Beat well until the sugar dissolves completely. Now add 1/4 cup oil and mix again. Sift in the dry ingredients: 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and half teaspoon cinnamon powder. Mix everything gently. Add 1/4 cup milk and mix again to form a smooth batter. Make sure your eggs and milks are at room temperature for better mixing. Now fold in the chopped walnut and grated carrot. Carrots are packed with vitamin A and fiber, great for the skin and eyes. Walnuts are rich in antioxidant and healthy fats. This cake uses very little oil and sugar, making it a lighter dessert option. It's homemade and free from preservatives, fresh and safe for everyone. Take a heavy bottom saucepan, grease it with oil and place baking paper at the bottom. Pour the cake batter in. Carrots not only add sweetness but keep the cake moist too. This cake can be steamed, baked, or pan cooked, so flexible. Heat a wide pan on medium-low heat, place the saucepan inside and cover it well. Let it cook for 30 to 35 minutes on low-medium heat. Once done, your soft and spiced carrot cake is ready to serve. Cook on low-medium heat to avoid burning the base. Carrot cake originated in Europe as a clever way to sweeten dessert naturally. Walnuts give this cake a delightful crunch and nutty flavor. So here's your soft, spongy, and flavorful carrot cake, baked without an oven and full of homemade love. Perfect for tea time celebration or simply to satisfy your sweet tooth. Have you ever tried baking without an oven? Tell us in the comments. Like, share, and follow Enoven Foods for more simple and soulful recipes. See you in the next video.